Welcome back, Espresso on Time. Again, we're doing this bottom halo row with this cellophane, I guess you want to call it, or foil. I start with my Timu tips. Do a base coat. Please do a base coat. The nail polish will peel off. And then I'm doing one layer of the white because it is a thick white and I don't want these nails thick anyway. I'm going to adhere the foil to the nail with another coat of base. You can put this however you want. I just cut it up, put it down, cure it 60 seconds. Now for the 3D effect, I'm going to use this adhesive gel. I pat it all over. Try to make it as thin as you can because it's hard to cure. Then I dab it to get those dimensions. Put the top coat on. A trick I do is I use the same thing to get it in the crevices so I don't lose the kind of 3D effect. And that's it. You're done. Cure in 90 seconds. Now for the little baby toes. I use Cura Sky because that's the best for my chrome. So I did the same exact thing, base coat, white, and then cure the Kira Sky for about 60 seconds, sorry. And then rub that on another top coat and we are done. Apply that with regular glue because I am not curing my toes or using UV. And this is how they came out. And they match really well. What do you think?